Hi, this is Neil with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to share PDF documents instantly, either by email or with a secure link that opens right in the browser. Start by opening your PDF design in the PDF editor. Before sharing, you can preview your design to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, click Send. A sharing window will appear. If you'd like to send the PDF via email, enter the recipient's email address and add your message. The PDF will be sent as an attachment, making it easy for recipients to open and download. If you'd rather share a secure link, click Do you need a shareable link in the same window. A unique secure link is generated automatically for your PDF. Click Copy Link, then share it on your preferred platform, email, chat, or anywhere else. Recipients can open the PDF instantly in their browser using Jotform's PDF viewer. No downloads or extra tools required. This makes sharing invoices, contracts, and documents fast, secure, and hassle-free. And that's it. Share PDFs your way by email or secure link in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Explore more Jotform PDF editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.